Can the two fractions form a proportion? We have 4/12 and 8/18. So what do we know about a proportion? We know that it's two equal ratios. We also know that the cross products are equal. And we also know that if we were to take the ratios and make coordinates, those points lie on a line. Okay, so let's take a look. Two equal ratios. So one way to figure out if we could form a proportion here is to reduce these ratios and see if they reduce to the same fraction. If they do, we know we can make a proportion. Cross products are equal. We could kind of make a pretend proportion here and figure out the cross products, multiply 4 times 18 and 12 times 8 and see if those answers are equal. If they are, we can make a proportion. The points on a line, well, since there are only two ratios here, we can't really use that because a line, actually, you can draw a line through any 2 points. So that's really not going to help us here. So let's look at the two equal ratios. I'll reduce 4/12. I know 4 goes into 12 because 12 is 4 times 3. So I'm going to write 4 over 4 times 3, and that equals 1/3 because the 4 is reduced out. And 8/18, well, I know that 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, and 18 is 9 times 2, which is 3 times 3 times 2. So I'm going to reduce out the 2's, and we're going to have 4 on the top, and 3 times 3, which is 9 on the bottom, 4/9. So 1/3 and 4/9 are not equal, so we could say right now, no, you can't form a proportion with these two fractions. And we could also cross multiply and do the cross products and see if those are equal. That'd be another way to solve it. 4 times 18 and see what that equals, and 12 times 8, see what that equals. And if our fraction work was correct here, of course these will equal two different numbers. So 4 times 18, or 18 times 4, that's 72. And 12 times 8, that's 96. So we verified two different ways that you can't form a proportion. The first way was the ratio is reduced to two different fractions, and also the cross products are not equal. So this is definitely a no. You can't make a proportion.